Lunch lang anay kami guys. Okay, so shout out. Wabay kami pang lunch. Habol mo lang namon dyan lunch. Pila-pila lang.
Buhay mo ko pinggan pero madala no eh.
Ha?
Buhay mo.
Agad isulod.
So kami na rin sa dalawa lang.
Nasaan na dayo to? Kaon na nila guys. Oh, gamo algs doon no ipagkuyo. Kaon na na. Habol pa sa lunch lang. Shout out sa inyo dyan. Mga idol no, hindi no eh. Ninilit to.
Ano tayo na bang rescue mo?
Plastar.
Sa may gas may ginigit, as may nagawin, may... Sa tinatyapak na?
My bayanihan means being able to help your co-workers to do their tasks very well. Even if it's not our responsibility, you're able to give a good impression always to all of our colleagues. The value of my part is proud of it. And so that gives them pride in doing their work for our colleagues. And when they come to visit the Philippines, we should showcase those values to all of our visitors.
Kapit.
Okay, so yun yung 7 M's natin. Pagpangabuhi. Okay? So, having the 7 M's,